Ooh, what's going on, team? Check this out. We just finished trading live with the Learn Plan Profit Group. We had a pretty solid trading session, and I want to show you exactly what we are waiting for. So the overall market on the day is very, very bullish. This is /NQ, which stands for the NASDAQ future. And as you guys could see at 6:30, as soon as the market opened, we experienced a very aggressive push. This is great for TQs, as I had an open position size on TQs, but it was very small, so I only made $230. Now, TQs has become so overbought, and if we kind of zoom out a little bit, you guys could see that it's approaching a very similar resistance range where it doesn't have to get rejected, but it would make sense that based off of previous resistance levels, that /NQ can begin to sell off. And if it does, then it is in our best interest to no longer pay attention to TQs, but the actual inverse, which is SQs. So if we break below the EMA line, we have all of this to sell off, and the more that this sells off, the more that SQQQ goes up. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. Once we get confirmation, and it looks like we're actually gonna be getting it right now, we'll see if we can actually catch this overall reversal, as it's one of my favorite patterns to trade right now, today on Tuesday. So I'm excited to see the challenges that the overall market presents today, and to see if we can make it happen. A goal is something to work towards, not something that you have to hit every single day. But again, let's be honest, it's the challenging things in life that bring the most fulfillment. Make sure you drop a like if you agree.
Get it by any means, I gotta come up. I'm trying to live life every day like it's summer. They try and test me, yeah, I'm outnumbered, but I won't lose no more, and that's the promise. They say to make it, you gotta be patient, but I ain't got time to be wasted. And when I get it, you know they gon' hate it. Yeah, you know they gon' hate it, know they gon' hate it. They ain't believe me, they thought I couldn't achieve it. They ain't wanna see the boy reach greatness. So, oh no, no, straight from the bottom, and I made it to the top. Gotta win every day, so I take it. Yeah.
And that's really just it, guys. So I closed a little bit over $1,000 profit. It is 11:22. I wasn't just focused on trading. I went to the gym for a little bit. I already had some lunch with the team, and it's time to catch up on the rest of the work that I have to do, working with the Learn Plan Profit team, answering questions, and of course, the different projects that we have when it comes down to the house flip that we have in Mesa and the new building that we are buying in Chandler. I really do appreciate your guys' time. Again, for any future suggestions on future videos, just make sure you drop them down in the comment section on what you would like to see next. Some days are, of course, better than others. I'm so blessed to be able to have closed another $1,000 days. Again, a goal is something to work towards, not something that you have to achieve every single day. But like we said, it's the most challenging things in life that bring and follow with the most fulfillment. Like always, team, hope that we enjoyed your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to stay connected, click the first link down below and join our free Facebook group. We're the largest one out there. It's absolutely for free, and that's that first link down below. If you guys are ready to be able to watch me trade live every single day, just like you experienced today, if you want to see where I buy, where I sell, and where I cut losses when things don't go according to plan, all of my live trading sessions are hosted every single day at Market Open exclusively for the Learn Plan Profit Group, and that's that second link down below if you're ready to join our team. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.